Hello traders, this is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here. Guys, I'd like to take a moment to say thank you for all of your love and all of your support in my absence. Thank you for your patience in waiting for me to get back. Thank you for all of the beautiful notes and all of the great things that you've written me. Now, what you have before you is the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame. And I'm going to explain what's going on in this chart. Now, every day we know the market does four things without fail, and it never changes. It will move up, it will move down, it will move sideways, and it will get choppy. That you can count on. The biggest challenge to trading is finding the primary direction of the market and following it into profit. Sounds easy enough, but the problem is that the market makers have set up many traps along the way. One of the things that may help you is to separate your time frame into hours. Now, this is the 1 minute time frame. You can also do this on your 5 minute time frame, but I'm doing it here on the 1 minute time frame, and it's really easy to do if you trade the Meta 4 trader. What you do is you come and you click the vertical line, you find the place that you want to put it, and voila, there you have it. So let's go ahead and delete that one. Let's take a look at what we have going on here. Blow this up a bit. Now, I want to mention this while I have your attention. Guys, if you're in a situation where your moving averages are pointing down, you want to, and you can see how after every hour, and I do this in my trading now, after every hour I go ahead and mark a vertical line. But if the momentum of your moving averages is down or bearish, then you want to ignore all of the bearish retracements and go in harmony with the bearish momentum. However, once you get the break of the 50 MA, go ahead and protect your profits. Now, if your moving averages are moving in a bullish fashion, then you want to ignore all of the bearish retracements. You are looking to go in harmony with that, with those moving averages, especially that 50 period, and you want to do that again until you get a break of that 50 period. Now, another thing you can do is you can ride it for 5 or 10 pips, cut it, and be done. You can do that twice a day and get your 20 pips if that's all you're looking for. Now, another thing I want you to note is every hour you're going to get an almost equal number of true price movement, price that's moving in harmony with your trend, and also an equal number, almost equal number of retracements. That's why it's so important for you to follow your trend. Also, remember that a valid break above the 200 SMA shows strength in the market, and a valid break below shows weakness. Now, I'm going to show you this chart that I've been making, and I'm hoping that it's going to help you in your trading as well. Now, this MT equals candles moving in the direction of the trend. Number after equals the number of pips made after the high or the low of the candle once you got the cross of the 200 SMA. So this was the same date I was showing you, 12/2/10, December the 2nd. The time is 0000. The total pips in that hour is 21. Your candles going in harmony with that trend are 29, and your retracement candles are 30. The kind of candle you had in that hour was a bearish hangman, and you did not get across of the 200 SMA. Therefore, you didn't have a number of pips afterwards. Let's go to another one down here. 9 o'clock. Total number of pips in that hour, 76. candles in harmony with the trend were 36, and the retracement candles were 22. The kind of candle you had was bullish. Yes, you got a cross of the 200 SMA. And remember, we're taking this after the high of that candle, and we got 60 pips after that. Let me show you how it is that I'm getting that on the 1 hour time frame. And this bearish SS is a bearish shooting star. That's what that's for. But this shows you about what we have, and the reason to mark this, and here's one that's just absolutely perfect. You have the same number of true candle movements and the same number of retracement. And the reason this is important, so that during the course of the hour you will know that you have about an equal number either way. So that's why you want to go in harmony with that trend. And let me bring that all the way up. And so that just gives you an idea of what it is that we're looking to do. Now, once I have closed that hour, the way that I determine the number of pips in that candle is I will come over here. This is my 1300 hour. I'll come here and I'll find 1300 as well. And I measure from the low to the high. That is how I determine the total number of pips in each candle. And remember, you are wanting to trade in harmony with the momentum. Now, the reason I keep saying a valid break above the 200 or valid break below is because at some point during the day, that 200 SMA can become a death trap. And I got into that this morning, and I actually ended up with more profit than loss, but I kept cutting losses because it was choppy around that 200 SMA. And this is the thing. When that happens to me, what I tell myself is they can't beat me all day. They can't beat me all day, so I keep trying. And this is the thing. Never let them trap you. Never let them trap you. Cut your losses quickly and move in the direction of profits. Guys, you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific trading week.